School Kids Lab. Every Wednesday we post a fun video of us doing something different. It could be a craft, skill, game, or a science experiment. Today we are going to be doing box building. The first step for box building is to save up boxes, as you can see we have done. If you don't have boxes saved up at home, you can also ask a local business. Some of them will give you their cardboard boxes for free. We just happen to have saved up a lot of boxes over the last couple of months. There are many ways that you can do box building. We will be showing some techniques today that you might find handy. We will also be using 3 different products combined with our boxes to create a castle or fort. The first box building products we are using are called box locks. These are plastic connectors that come in various shapes and angles. They work by clipping the edges of boxes together, kind of like joints. This product works great when you need 2 pieces of cardboard to be attached edge to edge. You can make all kinds of structures out of these plastic clips. A standard kit comes with instructions for constructing many different things out of boxes, but you can use your creativity and build whatever you can imagine. The second product is called MakeDo. MakeDo consists of both tools and materials for cardboard construction. It works by poking a hole using one of the tools, and then screwing in a screw using one of the tools as well. This product works great for attaching cardboard together that has overlapping pieces. The screws come in 2 sizes, and they can be used depending on how thick your cardboard is or how many pieces you are connecting together. You can also use the safety saw to cut cardboard apart. It is a bit slower than using a box cutter, but it is infinitely more safe. Both box locks and MakeDo have the appeal of being reusable materials, but if you are old school and have been classically trained in cardboard construction, the next product is also fantastic. You guessed it, duct tape. There seems to be no project you can't tackle with this sticky and durable product. Even NASA uses duct tape. You don't even need scissors to cut it. It tears on a seam. You just need to make sure when attaching cardboard together that about half of the duct tape touches each piece of the cardboard you need to connect together. The only downside is that when this stuff is stuck, it can't be re-stuck. It's a one-use product, which makes it a bit less appealing than the other options. There are a few other materials you will likely find handy. One is a box cutter. However, this tool, like all things in After School Kids Lab, should only be used with a parent's permission and supervision. In our case, only the adults handled this tool, just to be on the safe side. We also used markers for decorating our box, which is optional, and scissors, just in case we needed to cut anything. Now it's time to start building. I had many helpers this time, though some of them were not as helpful as others. The hardest task for 2 of my helpers was staying out of the cardboard structure while it was being built. In the end, we used all of the various products mentioned to fit different tasks we had to accomplish to create our marvelous cardboard castle, or fort. Now it's time for me to ask you some questions. After all, this is After School Kids, or Ask Lab. So, do you have any box building tips or tricks you can share with us? One tip I have for you is to trace out your windows or doors before cutting. You can also leave one side of a window or door attached so that it can open and close. You can even put a small hole in the edge so that you can easily get your window or door open or shut. So which of the products we used did you like the most? The Bettendorf Public Library does not endorse any particular products, but we like to share our knowledge in all ways we can, even in box building. But with both books and box building tools, we like to hear what you think. Let us know by commenting below our Facebook post. You can even share pictures or videos of your own box building creations. And don't forget to click the like button if you like this video. We would love to hear from all of our After School Kids Lab viewers. Thanks for joining us for After School Kids Lab. Next week we will be making fluffy cloud dough. Until then, bye! I lost her. Where'd she go? Where's my little girl?